Hello, Troy. Troy. Be a good boy. Oh, ang dami niyo pang cat food, oh. Yes, ubusin niyo yung cat food niyo. Oh. Uy. Oh, bakit? Oh, bakit? Yes. Afternoon siesta. Uy, nagsisiesta ang aking mga cats sa kanilang cat house. Oo. Uy, pati ang mga dogs ko sa kanilang dog house. Oh. Opo. Opo. Uy, nagsisiesta. Very lucky cats. Clean cat house, clean cat food, clean dog house, clean dog food, clean water every day. Clean water and food and house for my cats and dogs. And they poo-poo outside. My cats, they can go out anytime they want. They go out to poo-poo anytime they want. Rain or shine. I love my cats and dogs.